In this tutorial, we'll discuss how to easily add a contact form to your Google Sites website. To begin, navigate to the website where you want to add your Contact Us form. Click on Pages in the top right-hand corner and create a new page called Contact. Next, we need to add the contact form to this page. To do this, go to Google and search for Google Forms. Once you've signed in, start creating your form by clicking on Start a New Form. Change the form's title to Contact Us, add a brief description, and create your contact form fields. At a minimum, include an email field and a message box. Once you're satisfied with your form, save it to your Google account. Now return to your Google Sites page and click on Insert. Scroll down until you see the Forms option and select your newly created Contact Us form. You can then adjust the size of the form and center it as needed. There you have it! You've successfully added a Contact Us form to your Google Sites website.